Hello everyone, this is App Geeker. If you forgot your iPhone passcode and your iPhone screen appears Security Lockout or iPhone Unavailable. No worries. In this video, I will show you 4 easy ways to unlock your iPhone if you got your iPhone Security Lockout or Unavailable. So, before we start, let's make it clear, if you have forgotten your iPhone passcode and tried too many wrong attempts, your iPhone will alert you that iPhone Security Lockout. The official way to unlock it is to reset it. This will erase all data from your iPhone, which will also remove the forgotten passcode. However, if you have created a backup in iCloud or your computer, you can restore your iPhone once you have erased the iPhone. Without wasting any time, let's see how to fix the iPhone Security Lockout or iPhone Unavailable problem. Be sure you stick through the video so you won't miss any details. To begin with, you should make sure your device is running iOS 15.2 or later, and it's connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular network. And you should have your Apple ID's password for the locked iPhone. Once you have checked the requirements, follow the steps below to unlock your iPhone. If your locked device doesn't meet the requirements, you can skip to the next method. When failing too many wrong guesses, you'll see the message, Security Lockout or iPhone Unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Or even, try again in 1 or 3 hours, on your locked iPhone screen. You can see the Erase iPhone option on the bottom right of the screen then. Tap on it, and tap the Erase iPhone option again on the Erase All Content and Settings screen. Then, enter your Apple ID password to sign out, and your iPhone will begin erasing itself. iPhone Unlocker is an amazing tool. When the iPhone shows Security Lockout or iPhone Unavailable, iPhone Unlocker is an amazing tool to help you. It is easy to use and has the feature to help to unlock your iPhone without the forgotten passcode. You can browse the website, www.appgeeker.com, it's in the description below too. On the website, scroll down a little bit, and you will see the iPhone Unlocker, click the download button. Launch the iPhone Unlocker on your computer, and click the Wipe Passcode option on the main screen. Next, connect your iPhone to the computer using a cable. If your iPhone isn't detected, click the Device Connected but Not Recognized link, and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Select and cross-check your device information, then click the Start button. Next, a firmware will be downloaded for your device. Confirm the unlocking by entering 0000 in the blank space and hitting the Unlock option. Wait for the unlocking process to be over, and don't disconnect the device from the computer throughout the whole process. When the device is unlocked, you can set up your iPhone. Also, if you had a backup, you can restore your data from an iCloud or computer backup during the setting up process. When using iTunes to reset your locked iPhone, ensure you have the latest version of iTunes on your PC or Mac. Also, remember that your PC should run Windows 10 or later. Apart from that, you need a compatible USB cable. Once you have all the things ready, follow our steps. 1. Your iPhone can't be connected to your computer. 2. Download and install the latest version of iTunes, then launch it on your computer. 3. Power off your iPhone according to your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or later, hold both the side button and volume down button at the same time until you see the power off slider, then slide to turn your iPhone off. For iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 6s, or 6, press and hold the side button. A few seconds later, a slider will show up, and drag it to power off your iPhone. For iPhone SE, first generation, or former, long press the top button until the power off slider displays, then swipe to shut down your iPhone. Then, search for the right button to get into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later, go for the side button. For iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, go for the volume down button. For iPhone 6s and earlier, go for the home button. Hold the correct button and plug your iPhone into the computer instantly. Release the button when you see the recovery mode screen. 4. In iTunes, you will see a pop-up window. Click the Restore option. Read the message carefully, and click the Restore and Update option. iCloud Find My iPhone feature allows you to erase the locked iPhone when you forgot iPhone passcode. To start the erasing process, you will need your Apple ID and password and enable Find My iPhone before. Also, the locked device should be connected to a network. Open iCloud.com on a browser or Safari, and sign in to your locked device's Apple ID. Then, click on the Find iPhone option at the bottom right of the interface. Click All Devices at the top of the screen, and select the locked device. Choose the Erase iPhone option on the prompt window. Select Erase to confirm the erasing process to unlock your iPhone. After resetting your iPhone, you can gain back your locked iPhone again. You can start setting it up with your needs, and restore your backup if you have one during the setting up process. Hope the above methods we mentioned can help you with the iPhone security lockout or iPhone unavailable problem. If you have any questions, please leave us a message in the comments. We will be glad to help you with them. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to us for more latest videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.